Hello everyone! Recently it's been really cold. I live in a city called St. Louis in United States. It is a beautiful city and I love the old brick buildings in this old city. But in the winter, it gets so cold and the sky gets gray. Sometimes it can be gray for days. Today I decided to make a dish that will warm my heart and body on any given day. Start by slicing a medium-sized potato. Then we will slice some lotus root. Peel the skin first. Then peel asparagus, also called a stem lettuce. It is a delicious vegetable can be commonly found in China, and you can find it in Asian supermarket here too. Slice the peeled lettuce into 1 to 2 inch slices. I also soaked some dried bean curd sticks. Cut it into 1 inch slices. For the mushrooms, I have shiitake mushroom and enoki mushroom. Both are delicious in this dish. Cut shiitake mushroom into 1/4 pieces. Take enoki mushrooms out of the package and remove the root part. Gently separate it into smaller bushes. Next, we will chop the garlic cloves in half. And then cut the green onion into 1 to 2 inch pieces. And add some sliced ginger to the pile. These frozen beef meatballs can be found in Asian markets. Take out a few and cut it in half. Prepare some Sichuan peppercorn and dried chilies. Cut chilies into smaller pieces. They are also optional if you don't want your dish to be too spicy. Take out some thinly sliced pork belly and cut it into 1 inch pieces. Put aside. Now we're all set with the ingredients. To make this dish, we will use Haidilao's spicy stir-fry sauce. You can also use other brands or hot pot mix to substitute it. This Haidilao sauce looks vibrantly red and full of flavors. I can already tell it's going to make our dish super tasty and spicy. Bring a pot of water to boil. Blanch the ingredients one by one. Make sure the veggies are just cooked and do not overcook them. For potatoes and lotus root, cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the lettuce slices for about 1 minute. Remove them from water. Add in pork belly and beef meatballs. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove them and set aside. Add in bean curd sticks. Cook for about 1 minute. Add in shiitake mushrooms and cook for 1 minute. Since the enoki mushrooms can be easily cooked, we don't blanch them during this step. Next, add cooking oil in a wok or frying pan. Add in Sichuan peppercorn and dried chilies. Stir fry. Then add in garlic and ginger. Stir fry until fragrant. Now add in the stir-fry sauce to your like. I used about 2/3 of the package. Add in meatball and pork belly. Then the bean curd sticks. Add some cooking wine to make the sauce more fragrant. Then add in the veggies. Stir fry to make each piece covered with the sauce. Lastly, add in shiitake mushrooms and enoki mushrooms. Mix well with other ingredients. Add in green onions and sprinkle some roasted sesame on top. Stir well and turn off the fire. It's time to plate. Now the super fragrant mala stir fry is completed. You can make this dish with anything you have in the fridge. Mix veggies and meat all together in one spicy stir fry dish. It is delicious and spicy. Each ingredient gives you a different bite. Bring a bowl of rice and let's give it a taste. I love making this dish because it always lifts up my spirit. What kind of dish do you like to make you happy? Let me know in a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.